Hey guys, Jeff Joyner here, and I want to introduce you guys today to my favorite coffee. You know, I love great coffee, high quality coffee, cool flavors, and you may not know that my favorite coffee roaster in the world is this company in Michigan, north of Detroit, called A Bean to Go. Shadrach, Meshach, and A Bean to Go coffee. And I love the coffee, I love the flavors, I love the customer service. But mostly I love this because one of my best friends from high school, Kirk Walker, this is his company. He started this business. They give a ton of money back to charity. They do a lot of great stuff for the community. And I'm so proud of you. Kirk, I'm proud of you, man, if you ever see this video. This place is awesome. This is their brand new store. They have one in Lake Orion. This one is in Goodrich, Michigan. So if you ever find yourself north of Detroit in Auburn Hills, Pontiac, Goodrich, Lake Orion area, check out A Bean to Go coffee roasters. You know, some of you may know the name comes from the Bible story, and I think it's in Daniel chapter 3 about Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, who were told by the government that they couldn't worship their God. And if they did, they were going to lose their life. And it's a great story of courage and perseverance and faith that they stood up for what they knew to be right, even when it was risking their own life. And so Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. This is Shadrach, Meshach, and A Bean to Go. I think it's an awesome, clever name. Got myself a new shirt that I can wear. Got myself a great sugar-free vanilla latte. And I'll take you inside, let you check out what it looks like. It's a pretty awesome new store. My brother Darren, who's a graphic artist, actually designed this logo, and his company made this sign. Pretty cool. Very spacious, very cool vibe here at A Bean to Go Coffee. Everything open, super clean, lots of awesome flavors. Here's all the coffees that they roast. Just a ton. Got them some mugs. I got myself one of these cool shirts. Awesome. All right, awesome new shop, Kirk. Enjoying my latte. They said that you just left. I got here a little later than I expected, so I missed you on this trip. But hey, man, I'm proud of you. Anybody who chases their dream to start a business of their own and sees it through to fruition, man, I'm proud of you. Good for you. It's awesome. So have a great day. Just thought I'd share with you guys A Bean to Go Coffee. Check it out.